point. The methodology for this is, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डाइवर्सिफाई आवर पोर्टफोलियो. ऑप्शन का जो पोर्टफोलियो है उसको अलग अलग ऑप्शन स्ट्रेटेजीज में जो भी सुटेबल चार्ट पैटर्न जो बन रहे हैं अभी प्राइस एक्शन बेसिस पे या फिर डेरिवेटिव्स डेटा ओपन इंटरेस्ट पीसीआर के बेसिस पे या फ्यूचर के ओपन इंटरेस्ट पे जो भी बन रहे हैं उसके बेसिस पे जो भी बेस्ट सुटेबल ऑप्शन स्ट्रेटेजी होगा दैट वी हैव टू क्रिएट एंड वी हैव टू डाइवर्सिफाई आवर ऑप्शन पोर्टफोलियो टू control the risk and to control the and for the money management also. The second is use of both non-trending strategies and trending strategies at a time, depending upon the stock which is showing that trend or non-trend. Protection of our capital, it will always be our first priority. For that we have to allocate 70% in non-trending strategies which are conservative strategies and 30% which are a little aggressive strategies. In this way we have to save our capital, protect our capital. Always focus on the high probability opportunities. कोई भी छोटा ऐसा normal opportunity मिल रही है तो उसमें हमको entry नहीं करना है. We have to focus on the increase the probability. And always we have to first calculate the risk. If it is reasonable, then only we have to enter, else we don't have to enter into that. Phases to achieve consistent. Now some people have asked about the how much capital is required. So the capital requirement can be from for a जैसे भी आपने देखा कि एक निफ्टी के पोजीशन को हमने बनाया 17,000 में भी वो पोजीशन बनता है. बट for proper doing it like a business, you should start with around 50,000 rupees, and as you grow, as you get some skill and some knowledge and some experience about the market, you can, if you go to the, suppose you go to the capital of 2 lakhs rupees. Now the return target, as I told you, that you have to be very very conservative to create consistent income. Again I'm telling, if you want to create you want to play like a gambler, there is no issue. अब 10,000 का 15,000 हर महीने में आप करते जाओ आप, there is no issue at all. But if you want to make some consistent income, if you are thinking that आज मेरा सैलरी से मुझे 50,000 मिल रहा है, within some months or some years I should create that 50,000 from trading, तो उसके लिए we have to go with the some conservative approach. And for that I am explaining you how we can achieve that. तो 2 lakhs अगर आपने एक थोड़ा सा अंडरस्टैंडिंग के बाद आपने अपना कैपिटल बढ़ाया है तो, और आपने अभी रिटर्न आपने केवल 3 to 5% का भी टारगेट रखा है, तो यू कैन क्रिएट दिस मच अमाउंट पर मंथ. इन phase 2, if you, as you increase this one, if you have crossed, first you have to cross this, you have to consistently make this first, then only you have to increase your capital. आपके पास है तो भी नहीं बढ़ाना है in the beginning, because in phase 2 we are going to achieve the next phase or next slab of the return target. 5 to 8% of our capital, it will be around 25 to 40,000 as per this calculation. And in phase 3, it depends upon your capacity, how much you want to put, and you can create, but here it is not going to increase more than 5 to 8%, and it will be, the income will be 40 to 50 to 80%. But before increasing the capital, you have to increase your confidence. And confidence कब आएगा? When you will have good knowledge, good skill, good experience in the market. And वो कैसे आएगा? When you will work with passion in a focused manner, considering your trading as a business which will give you consistent income, then only you can achieve all these things. तो अगर आपको ट्रेडिंग में आना है, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू दिस डिटेल. हुएवर इज प्रिपेयर्ड टू डू दैट, ओनली दोज पीपल हैव टू ज्वाइन. मैं यहाँ पे किसी तरह का आपको किसी को भी, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू कन्विंस एनीवन टू ज्वाइन दिस कोर्स, because this course is only for the people who want to make that much, who are ready to make that much efforts. It is not for everyone, I am telling you. If you are not prepared right now to make that much effort, you should not join this. I will frankly tell you. Okay, if any question, please ask. If you want any more detail, that also you can ask. We are at the end of the session. Please.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Sagar, yes.
When you are talking about the consistent profit, phase one, phase
Yes.
two, phase three. So in
Right.
that, so even that market is maybe in a bearish moment due to some national or maybe the international issues. So even that will be the consistent or
Yes, yes, yes. Because you can see now that we can make long position, we can make short positions, we
yes,
can make sideways positions also. Sideways trend में भी हम बना सकते हैं. तो it is free from any type of limitation of the trend related limitations. Because there are so many strategies. Means almost जो use करते हैं हम लोग वो regular use वाले strategies around 11 है. और other than total there are 41 strategies which can be used in different market scenario.
Sir, I have one question. So, when we are talking about making consistent returns through options trading, what kind of time investment is required? Because, like, necessarily, this is going to be a secondary source of income, and there is always going to be like a full-time job during market hours.
Correct,
So,
correct.
is it practically
You
possible?
have asked a genuine question which is faced by most of the traders, because I know nobody is depending upon the trading right now. So everybody is doing something and they want to start with they want to do it along with whatever they are doing right now, right?
Yes.
The answer lies only again is in our trading club. Because in our trading is my screen visible to you?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, you can see here we are having different suppose here we are having a channel of psychology. तो how to create a good mindset उसके ऊपर we are discussing some topics also. And we are also having a person an expert who provide you मैंने एक वीडियो उनका एक वीडियो भी हमने यहाँ पे ये देखो this was a trading psychology session. You can go through on the our YouTube channel where there you can see this, where we also focus on the trading psychology, psychological part of a trader. Now again coming to your question, suppose you want an opportunity, but आपको खुद से करने को नहीं हो रहा है because you don't have time to analyze the stocks. So here you can see that how we have given some ideas of what are the bullish stocks, what are the bearish stocks. And there are many in between. समझो बैंक निफ्टी के बारे में मैंने कुछ दिया है यहाँ पे. फिर there are some different explanation of that. Means what you have to do, you have to just focus a little on your mobile. जो भी हमारा discussion चल रहा है, that you have to focus on that. And then you have to place the orders. तो शायद ऑर्डर प्लेस करने के लिए उतना ज़्यादा टाइम लगता नहीं है. बट द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट कि you should do it in focused way. जैसे यहाँ पे देखो चार्ट पैटर्न्स के बारे में दिया है हमने. अभी कौन से स्टॉक में अच्छा पैटर्न्स बन रहा है, दैट that is continuously those things are getting shared here. तो you can understand what is. जैसे यहाँ देखो LNT का मैंने दिया था अभी परसों ही दिया था 26 तारीख डेट को. तो इट इज कमिंग डाउन टू ए गुड सपोर्ट लेवल. आपने अगर देखा तो अभी LNT ऑलरेडी ऊपर गया है यहाँ के आने के बाद. तो these many things will be available for you ready made for your trading. This trading club is created only for only with keeping two things in mind. One is ki how people can develop themselves continuously, and the other thing ki how people get some assistance in their trading. मतलब एनालिसिस करके मिले उनको, या फिर कुछ अगर ट्रेड में वो करना चाहते हैं लेकिन कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आ रहा है, दे कैन गेट सम दे कैन डू सम डिस्कशन विथ अस. बिफोर क्रिएटिंग दैट पोजीशन. अगर कुछ पोजीशन बनाए अटक गए हैं तो उसमें कैसे बाहर निकलना है उसके बारे में डिस्कस कर पाए. ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर गोइंग टू बी the main core of this trading club. Okay, so your the question of your answer lies in this trading club only. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, thank you, sir.
Yes, any more question?
Sir, how to join that club?
Right now, you are whoever is going to join this next week session, options trading session, those people will be given 1 month free membership of that club. Later also, we are not charging much for that club. There will be very nominal fee for that club, which can be which we can recover in only one trade or more than that in one trade. But the first criteria to join that club is that you must be trained by me, because all people should think not in same way, I can tell, but they will be equipped with the same knowledge or same techniques when they are trading. Then only the proper discussion can be done, right? Otherwise, if I am explaining something and you cannot understand that, then there is no meaning of joining the club, correct?
Yeah, got it.
Okay, then if any question you can just send me as an WhatsApp later also, no issue.